This PowerPoint is going to be a pretty quick review of our elements of fiction, specifically plot. So you've all seen this lovely little plot mountain, seems like 100 times now. Plot, as we've all learned, is just a sequence of events in our piece of literature. And we divide our plot into several different parts as we're going through the story. So we start with the exposition, we have the initiating event, our rising action, the climax, the falling action, and the resolution. The exposition. The exposition is the part of our story where we get our information we need to know to help us continue in the story. The setting, the characters, the basic situation or background information. So what's happening? Who is it happening to? The next thing in our plot diagram, that sort of little corner that starts us into the rising action, is the initiating event. The initiating event is what kicks off our central conflict. So if we think about our movie Shrek, if the fairy tale characters hadn't been moved into Shrek's swamp, Shrek never would have had to go and meet Farquaad. He never would have gone on his adventure. He never would have met Donkey. Everything happens because that initiating event of the fairy tale characters being moved into Shrek's swamp. Once we get started, we've got the rising action. The rising action is all of the events that are building and continuing that conflict, leading us to where the story is really going to meet that ultimate spot or what comes next. The climax. The climax of the story is our big turning point in the story. This can be when our protagonist makes a big decision, comes to a big realization about themselves, or when we have that big moment where the Avengers fight the bad guy. It's where all of that rising action comes to a big point and we get a big change in our pattern of the story. We have a moment where something is different and our main character can't continue on the way they were. They've achieved a victory or they've learned that the world is different the way they thought they were. Something has happened that is going to lead our character down towards the resolution. And that falling down towards the resolution is our falling action. Anything that has to happen from the character realizing, wow, I love Princess Fiona, or from the Avengers realizing, wow, we saved the world, but now look, we destroyed New York in the process. All of those little bits that have to come together, that's the falling action. Everything that has to come together to wrap up the conflict in order for there to be a nice ending. And the last thing we get to is hopefully that nice ending. Hopefully we get a nice resolution, that the conflict is going to be resolved or ended nicely, but it's not always a happy ending. We don't always get that nice, neat resolution that we want. We don't always get everyone to live happily ever after. Sometimes we have to wait for part 2, or sometimes the character that we really wanted to live happily ever after doesn't. And this, you guys, is the end. Like I said, pretty short and sweet review for some terms that hopefully you're pretty familiar with.